Hey guys, Captain here. This is a video I've wanted to make for a while. It's not the first time I've attempted this concept, but it's hopefully the first time that actually succeeds. I basically was thinking about the fact that when you're really, really good at something, you can do it. You can just think about it all the time. And in particular, I was inspired by the fact that real good chess grandmasters, they can play games blindfolded. They can give simultaneous exhibitions blindfolded. They can remember dozens or even hundreds of games. They can recognize hundreds of positions. They just know it's so in and out that they can basically just play chess in their mind, and it's not different from them from playing over the board. At least not they can see a few moves deep, right? They can recognize positions. They can know the state of the board. And I was wondering if I could do that with Lego. And so one idea I had is, what if I took a small set, and what if I tried to build it blindfolded? Now, I've built some sets before, some polybags and small sets, challenging myself to just build it without instructions. For something that's doesn't have a particularly elaborate interior, this is not even that hard to do. You could do it with a 100-piece set. Most 100-piece sets, you could just figure out how it's built. Maybe you have to do a little bit of trial and error, but if you use the picture as a reference, then it's not that hard. But then I thought, what if I did it blindfolded? And there's a small polybag set that I kind of tested this concept on, and I was able to pull it off. But it was a set I had built before, and this set I've never built before. I got this polybag. I bought it a few months ago. It's just been sitting around, and in the recent days and weeks, I've just been taking a few minutes here and there to just study it and to try and visualize the set in my mind and memorize it, so I know what it looks like, and so I've thought about its whole construction. And now I'm going to try and build it blindfolded. And I have this double camera view. In fact, I'll try and push this back a little further. So this is, of course, going to be the build surface, but I'm going to show the webcam so you can verify that I am blindfolded. I have this fun squid hat that I'm going to wear. It looks silly, but also it goes all the way over my face. I can really pull it down, and I cannot see. So this is gonna be my last chance to look at the artwork on this bag, and then I'm just gonna open it up and go for it. This idea, again, I've wanted to do it for a while. There's a bunch of video ideas I've wanted to do for a while, and I just haven't posted anything, and I figured, I've got to do it eventually. So let's see. Here's the instructions. One of the neat things about this set, don't need these. One of the neat things about this set is that most pieces in it are unique. Even though there's a lot of color, most pieces, I think there's only 2 or 3 elements that come in more than one color. So, should give me a lot of opportunity to actually get it pretty accurate with respect to color scheme. Okay, these, I know that there's going to be 2 of these stacked on top of each other. And this should be a 2x3. So it should go here. I think these should only appear in dark red. So off to a good start. One of the biggest parts of the challenge is not just building the set from scratch, but it's even harder since I have to feel around for the pieces. Let's see, where's the 2 leaf pieces? That's what I want to find right now. Here's one. There's another one somewhere around here. This is going to go to the head. also going to go to the head. Like I said, there are a few elements to this that I don't really know how they're incorporated. But most of it, I think I understand quite well. What is this? Oh, that's going to go to the tail. This is going to go to the beak. One by two. Where's the base? I just felt it somewhere. Here we go. So the base should have a 1 by 2 here. And I think these 1 by 2s are only in dark red. Where did I just put the head? So this is the bottom side, this is the side. It's gonna go here. Is this the other leaf piece? No. Ah, this is where the tail will attach to. 1 by 2. Okay. This will go, this piece, maybe it exists in red in this set, but I think it only exists in white. And it should go here. And there should be jumper plates on top of it. This will go on one of the leaves. You can tell because this is not one of the pointed pieces. Brick. Jumper plate. There are 2 jumper plates that should go here, I think. I think there are 4 of these black jumper plates. One will go here, for sure. It's possible that at the base underside could be a little different than what I'm assuming. What is this? Okay. This will be part of the body of the bird. Where is the other plant piece? Just trying to get like a bounded feel on my work area. Plate. One detail that I might be screwing up in the heat of the moment is how these little wing tips are oriented. And I just have to hope, basically, that I remember. This, This might be the only piece that comes in 2 colors. It's either yellow or blue, and I just have to, not quite blue, but it's like a medium azure or whatever they call it. I just have to hope that these are the yellow ones that I'm holding. The yellow ones should go here. At the end, I'll get to see if I botched this. Where's the head? Is this the head? Okay. This is the side. So there should be a 1x2 plate here. This is a jumper plate that I just picked up. Great. Where's that slope I put for the nose? The beak, I mean. There we go. This in case I drop something on the floor, I'm reserving the right to go pick it up. But I'm gonna also try really hard not to do that. Okay. What is this? Wait, what is... Oh, yes, this is... how should I position this? I think I'll hold on to this for now. Jumper plate. Pretty sure I know where this goes. Where's the base? Pretty sure this should go here. Seriously, where's this other plant piece? Maybe I'm not feeling around that carefully. Oh, that's how the head is attached. It's a turntable. I was looking and I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. And I just didn't consider that it could be a turntable piece. This is like core to the body. So I know where that goes. Yes, the fact that this is a turntable makes everything make a lot of sense. What is this? Tail. It's also gonna like correspond to the tail. This brick I'll deal with later. I just touched that piece. This will go to the feet. This is the feet, essentially. Oh, here's the other leaf. Okay. Let's see. How much stuff am I holding? Let's put that there, and hopefully I'll just find it later. Okay. I should double check this other plant piece that I have to make sure that it's... Okay, the orientation seems to be what I would expect. This will go on top of the head. Where's the beak? Beak side here. So this goes here. Does this look like a parrot? I hope so. See if I can find the other eye to make it stable. This will be important later. This is body. Jumper plate, that'll be important later. Well, every piece will be important later. Okay. I just put something over here. This and this. And these are the feet. There's going to be something that goes here, and it's probably just a 1x2 brick. Probably. In fact, I don't even know where else a 1x2 brick would go. I guess I'll just put it there. Wasn't it over here somewhere? Oh, the other eye. Been looking for this. You know, I could just already attach the bottom of the turntable to the bottom of the head. There's no real reason in holding off. Come on. Why is this so challenging? Am I crazy? 2 holes, 2 holes. There we go. Yes. I also like all Lego sets have some amount of spare pieces. I don't think there's a single Lego, maybe very tiny sets, but in general, I don't really think there's any Lego sets that don't have any spare pieces. And I don't know what the spares are in this set. I would guess that they are maybe one of the 1x2s is a spare, and probably like, I'm guessing one of each of the colors of the corner tiles is a spare. Yes, here's the other one of these. The head, I will put the head down for now. I still need to find the other this is a plate that goes here, and I know what plate it should be. Yes, I still gotta find the brick. This will go to the other wing, but I don't want to deal with that right now. Where, oh where is the brick? Hold on, where's the head? Here's the 1x2 brick. So let's see, so I've got, so this should go here. And I don't know if this is like obscured in the photo, so I don't know for a fact that this goes here, but like, it just has to, I think. And then from the base, aren't I missing one jumper plate? I put it around here somewhere. There it is. So the base is complete. And then this, I need to find, there's a gap here, which is 1 plate tall by the feel of it, which I haven't really used this piece before, but I suspected that this piece might be in here just based on how the photo looked. And so I think based on the math of it, there should be 1 plate of like give. And I felt earlier the claw plate. And I don't know where it went. Well, I could start reducing pieces. Ah, here's the turntable. Didn't I put the head over here? Where did I put the head? Beak, bottom, turntable. Huzzah. There's the next 1x2 plate I find. Okay, that belongs here. Great. I attempted this for a set of a polybag set of some McLaren car. Looking for this. And that was very challenging. I got a lot of the exterior details right, but the interior I had to guess on. And my biggest mistake was not memorizing the dimensions. And so I did take some time to really memorize the dimensions of this bird. And I feel very confident in recreating that now. So here, how do I need to... I'm trying to think what gaps I have to fill in first, because this goes on here on top, but I think I remember how this goes. I think it's actually just as simple as this goes here, and then the curved slope piece, the 2x2 curved slope. Oh, maybe that pin is also spare, because there's definitely two of those. That goes together. 2x2 curved slope. There we go. I think this just goes here. Yes. Yes, that has to be right. Turntable here. Head on a swivel. Where's the one wing? Is this wing completely complete? Yes. And I think this has to be the bird's right wing. And now let's make the other wing. We're really running out of pieces to go, so this should start getting a little faster, because I think I'll have less feeling around to do. I felt the pin somewhere around here. I want to find that pin. I also need to find the last 2x3 plate. There it is. Let's hope this is yellow. There's the pin I wanted. This will go to the tail. Let's hope this is yellow. I think that's the one I had just picked up. One of these. I need one more of those. Yes. Before I put it on its platform. Now let's do the final tail. So there should be two of these. And let's hope this is blue, azure, whatever the color, exact color is. Oh, sorry, not quite that orientation. This orientation. Actually, that does not attach that way. This attaches. It would attach this way. Perfect. That's the piece I need. Like so. I think this should hang off the end a little bit. And then a symmetrical one like this. Ta-da. Let's hope this is blue. Where's our bird? Back of the bird is here. That should be complete. Let's feel around for any pieces we missed. Two of these, just as predicted. Where's the base of it? There we go. Did we do it right? Well, a little unlucky with some of these colors, but Looks correct to me. I guess we could cross-reference the instructions if we really wanted to. There you have it. I think there are no mistakes. Aside from the color, which I can fix easily. In fact, I will fix that right now for my own enjoyment, but that's a simple swap of these two pieces. So, color aside, a successful blind build. I hope you found this concept interesting. I do find it to be, a very formidable challenge and a very interesting way to exercise my brain. And it is quite fun in its own way. It's a good test. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I encourage you to leave it a like, give it a comment, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time.